Welcome to Programming Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to export a pivot animation as a video. So first you're going to go to Pivot Animator, go to File, Open Animation, and select an animation you've created. Then click Open. So here's your animation. Play it. So we're just going to stop. You go to File, Export Animation, and here's the file type. It's important. Here's the GIF. You can save it as individual images or as an AVI video. Select that. We're going to name it. And then click Save. It'll ask you to resize, super sample, or compress. We're just going to click OK. And now, go to your file manager. You can see you saved it. We're going to drag that and put it into our desktop. And then you can watch it. That is how to export in Pivot Animator as a video. If you enjoyed the video or learned something, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.